We're here to make open source software more secure for everyone.
We are a diverse global community of people trying to make the world a better place through open source software.
So the Open Source Security Foundation is a force to solve the problem of open source security.
It's vendor neutral. You have all of these huge corporations coming together to secure the software supply chain. It's amazing.
By making open source more secure, it genuinely makes the world more secure.
The community around OpenSSF is welcoming and diverse.
We need that diverse set of perspectives to help build robust, sustaining solutions.
So the OpenSSF is a great place for everybody to come together and have the 360 picture. So you've got the maintainers, the producers, the consumers, and the tooling all together having the same conversations.
This is an evolving space. It's always changing and there's always something new to get your hands on and learn.
You don't have to be an open source developer or expert to get involved. If you have a security experience, we need you and you can get involved today.
There are tons of things to do, way more work than we've got people to do the work. So there's no shortage of opportunity, tasks, projects.
We have these working groups that are kind of all across OpenSSF, and within those working groups, there are projects, right? Projects or technical initiatives that you can get involved in.
Come join. Come be part of the party.
Come make open source better. If you care about open source and improving the supply chain security, and you have a CISO and you use open source, which most likely you do, you should join OpenSSF because this is where the action is happening. This is where the collaboration is happening.
We're a community of dreamers that believe that we can solve these problems, but we can only solve them together.